Hi everyone, this is teacher Azia from the Wave Private School. This video is for grade 2, chapter number 6, Position and Movement. Today we are going to have the lesson Right Angle as a Quarter Turn. After this lesson, you will be able to recognize a right angle as a quarter turn. Before starting the lesson, you need to revise the clockwise and anti-clockwise turns. Look at the clock. A clockwise turn is in the same direction that the hands of a clock turn. Also, an anti-clockwise turn is in the opposite direction to the movement of the hands on a clock. Right angle as a quarter turn. This is a clockwise turn. Look at the picture, which is a rotation in the same direction as the hands on a clock. A quarter turn means that the car rotates until it reaches the first quarter line shown. A quarter of the circle area has been shaded. Look at the quarter turn clockwise. Yes. Here is a quarter turn anti-clockwise. The car originally is facing forwards, and so the anti-clockwise rotation begins by turning the left. Look at the quarter turn anti-clockwise. Okay. So an angle is formed in a quarter turn clockwise as well as a quarter turn anti-clockwise. See this. An angle is a measure of turn that is usually measured in degrees. A quarter turn measures 90 degrees. It is called a right angle. We label right angle with a small square. In the quarter turn clockwise, here an angle is formed, and that angle, I mark it here without the car, and this angle we call right angle, and it has a value 90 degree. Similarly, in an anti-clockwise quarter turn, there also a right angle is formed. Here we have a right angle. Thus, when the car makes a quarter turn in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, it turns through one right angle. Look at the both cases. Here we have one right angle. Here also we have one right angle. Now, in a half turn, we will now look at the half turn clockwise. See this. Also, here is a half turn anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise direction and it is a half turn. Look at the both half turns. This is the half turn clockwise and this is the half turn anti-clockwise. In both cases, one half turn is same as two quarter turns. Here we have, this is the one quarter and this is the second quarter. Here also 1 and 2. So one half turn is same as two quarter turns. So in both cases, how many right angle is formed here? Yes, here we have one right angle and here also we have the another right angle. Just see the shaded portion. Yes, how many quarters here? One quarter and the second quarter. So total we have two right angles. Thus, when a car makes a half turn in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, it turns through two right angles. Let us go to the three-quarter turn. Here is a three-quarter turn clockwise. Look at the turn. Also, a three-quarter turn anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise direction and the three-quarter turn. 1, 2 and 3. In both cases, the car rotates through 3/4 of a turn. We can see that 3 of the 4 quarters of the circle are shaded. Here, yes, this is a 3/4 turn. 1, 2 and 3. Here also 3/4 turn, but in the anti-clockwise direction. So we have 1, 2 and 3/4. Now, how many right angles are formed in both cases? Yes, here 1, 2 and 3 because we have 3/4 here. In 1/4 we know that one right angle is formed. So in the anti-clockwise direction also we have 1, 2, 3 right angle. Thus, when a car makes a three-quarter turn in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, it turns through three right angles. Next, let us see what happened in a full turn. Yes. The car moves in the same direction as a clock until it has reached its starting point. That is the full turn clockwise. Look at this. Yes, the car is moving in a clockwise direction and a full turn. Look at the full turn anti-clockwise direction. Yes, the car is moving in an anti-clockwise direction and it is a full turn. That means it has reached its starting point. When a car makes a full turn in clockwise direction, how many right angles is formed? Yes, a full turn means how many quarters here? 1, 2, 3 and 4 quarters. That is 4 right angles. Similarly, in an anti-clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise turn, here also we have 4 quarters. That means 4 right angles are formed. Thus, when a car makes a full turn in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, it turns through 4 right angles. Hope you understood all the cases. Now we have a question. Read the question. Tom is standing at a point X and facing the playground. Look at the picture. Yes, Tom is standing at a point. This is the point X and facing the playground. Here ice cream shop, here the supermarket and here is the pet shop. And your first question is, if he turns through 2 right angles in clockwise direction, he will face the which shop? Yeah. Read the question. Yes, if he turns through two right angles in clockwise direction. So that is important. Two right angle in which direction? Clockwise direction. So we need two right angles. That means we need to turn 2/4. Yes. This is the first right angle in clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. So this is the first right angle. If he turns through the one right angle in clockwise direction, he will reach here. And yes, he faces the ice cream shop. So by one right angle turns in clockwise direction, he faces the ice cream. We need two right angles. That means need to turn one more right angle in clockwise direction. Yes. The second right angle and in the clockwise direction. Yes. Now look at this. He turns through two right angle in clockwise direction and now he faces the he faces the supermarket. So the answer is supermarket. And the second question. To face the pet shop, he needs turns through how many right angles in an anti-clockwise direction? Here we need to find the number of right angles when he needs to turn in an anti-clockwise direction and he needs to face the pet shop. Anti-clockwise direction means this direction. So we'll start with the first right angle. So this is the first right angle and through the anti-clockwise direction, yes, after the first right angle turns, he will reach here. Now look at Tom. Yes, he is facing the pet shop. So to face the pet shop, he needs turns through how many right angles? Yes, only one right angles. In an which direction? Yes, he turns to the anti-clockwise direction. So our answer is 1. Hope you understood the concept, that is right angle as a quarter turn. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.